Today I am going to show you how to create this animation in Canva. So let's start. Go on the video section, select the first one. After that, take your images. So I am taking these images I have already saved and decrease the size. First is strawberry. Second is chocolate. Rotate this like this, and last one is edit image. Remove the background of this image. Rotate this. Decrease the size. Now it's looking good. After that, download this. Change the file to PNG. Click on transparent background. Download this. So after that, add this photo to your upload section by clicking uploads file. Like I have added this image. So now delete this all. And now go on the text, add the text here. Write your your image's name. Chocolate on the writing. Select Fatimi, Fatimi. Select this writing and increase the size. Okay, so after that, duplicate this text and add another flavor. Like my another flavor. And adjust this. Again, duplicate this. We will adjust the. Okay, so let's adjust. Okay, so now it's good. Launch here. Download this PNG form, transparent background. Download. After downloading, take this image to your uploads section and delete this all. And now you have to switch the page. Resize magic switch. Search here. So we need the scale size. Scale video. Select this one. Continue. Okay, so let's resize this design. Click on this, and this is changing your size. Now here you can see this is in scale form. And after that, take your image here. You have downloaded it and increase the size. Okay, so I think now it's okay. Now change the background color. Choose any color you can. I'm choosing this. And after that, go again onto your uploads section. Take your text image here and do this. Rotate this like this. Okay. Again, increase the size. Actually, our first text is chocolate, so we need to change the picture by rotating it. You have to increase the size first, and now 3 dot, layer, send backward, and go click on image, rotate this as chocolate. Where is chocolate? So here is our chocolate ice cream. So done this, adjust. Here. This will be in the middle of the page. Okay, now you can see that it's looking good, and let's change. So I don't think that this background color is okay, so I'm changing my background color. Okay, so I like this one, so I'm taking this one, and now go on elements, search here bouquet. Sorry. And you can take anything, go on graphics. So I am taking this one, looking good. Go on 3 dot, layer, send backward. Okay, so now it's looking good. Click on 3 dot and duplicate this page, and now decrease the page size. Go on the picture. Well, first of all check the text. Go on the text and slide it down. So our next text is strawberry. So we need to add a picture of strawberry. Go here and rotate the image to the strawberry. Okay, so yes, this is strawberry. Now increase some size. Now it's looking good. And now you have to change the background color. The background, like your text should be visible. So I'm taking this one because this color is matching with background. Okay, so make sure that the other image is not showing in the first one. So let's adjust this. Now it's looking good, much better. Okay, it's good. And now go again on position and select the bouquet, and after that rotate the bouquet. So I like this one, and after that again duplicate the page and go on the text, select it and slide it down. So our last flavor is pistachio. Wait, let's adjust the text, and now click on image and select the right image. Decrease the size. Okay, so now it's looking good. Again select the bouquet here and rotate this like this form. Now it's good. Click on this 5 seconds. Do 2 seconds. Apply to all pages. After that, add the transition, match and move, duration full, and apply between all pages. And now again go on the timing, set to 2 seconds, apply to all pages, and now here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.